You know, it's never a bad day in manufacturing when you're surrounded by machines cutting metal and robots moving parts. But what if I told you that we have a double dose of awesomeness and automation here at IC Automation? Let's go check this out. You know, I'm seeing a lot of things in manufacturing. I see robotics, I see capital equipment machinery, but above all, I see automation. And that's exactly why we are here at IC Automation in the beautiful Buckeye State in Ohio. Might be a little biased, but nonetheless, I'm here with Ibitai. Dude, we're standing in front of wonderful, really amazing cells here that we have to learn more. But first and foremost, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great. Happy to be here. Happy you guys came out to see our cell so we can show our customers and our customer cell and future customers of our capabilities.
Exactly. Now, when we're talking about capabilities, we were given the luxury of a tour around these cells. And I'm so surprised at the amount or the lack of individuals touching parts because you have so much just straight automated. Can we dive into that, the inspiration behind creating this beautiful process you've created?
Absolutely. So over here, what we have behind us is a completely two redundant cells that are doing one part. And what we did for our customer is they came to us with a part count that they need to produce per year, and we dove into providing the most automation and handless operation that you could have. So really we have in-feed robots that are 3D bin picking, then we have gantry systems that are going through multiple ops on lathes, then we have robots tending mills, broaches, and auto gauges with auto compensation being applied back to the machines to fix tool offsets as parts are being made. And then we finally have a deburr and a pack out, so everything goes in on one end and comes out right next to it.
So what I'm seeing is a little bit of twinning here. We've got two lanes, if you will, doing amazing things. Can we break it down as to what was the strategy behind having two?
Well, having the two is for the redundancy factor. So that was just that way one line could always be running in case a broach goes down or something needs to be fixed on a line. It's really for the automotive sector, just so we have the option of at least making half the parts that we need to make.
Very interesting. And then knowing that, you know, I know everybody's looking for a specific space, if you will. You've got this place full to the brim with capability. What are our ambitions? What are we looking at for the future of IC Automation?
Well, for the future of IC Automation, I think this cell really shows it. We designed this cell in concept to fit this building, and we took up every inch of space to make sure that it actually works and provides the parts that they have. So this is the prime example of what we could offer to our customers and what production could make.
This room is jam-packed with automation. But man, this did not happen by accident, and it surely did not happen overnight. What are you proud of when it comes to what we're seeing and what you're producing here at IC Automation?
Oh yes. So even here at this cell, this is probably a collection of 10 cells of everything else that we've done, and we put it all together in one. So as you see right behind you, we have the in-feed robot. It's using 3D bin picking to do its job, and then we have other stations. We have multiple grippers that are machine tending, so that's like another cell that we pretty much do day in, day out with our bread and butter service offering that we have. We have applications that are doing deburring as well as packaging. So pack out, as you see right behind me, I'm trying to look over and take a look down, but we're good.
Hey, so you just make sure things are running, right? You got to make sure, though. Even though you're coffee, we're just checking on it. Not an issue at all, my man.
Yep, that's where we put together a collection of cells and our experiences all in one on this project, as we illustrate, as you'll see through the videos.
I love it. I love it, love it. It's awesome to be able to tour the facility and see human beings running around because they're still and always will be valuable. But automation, it's not coming, it's here. And so for those individuals who are on the curve or on the fence, if you will, as to what automation is and what it can do for their businesses, what do you have to say?
Like our customer here, they would not be competitive to get this job if they did not automate. Everything is all about a smart manufacturing, and obviously automation is a key piece to it because you can't compete on a global scale if you're not investing into the equipment that's back here. The talent and the people are always needed, and they're the ones who operate this cell and help this function. But with the automation, you're literally multiplying. The multiple depends on the process, is huge on what you could actually create.
I could not agree more, and loving the creation that is going on behind me with such minimal human intervention. With that being said, I don't know what you see, but I see automation. Hey everyone, this is Eddie from MTD CNC. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.